Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the fourth or fifth episode of my How to Start Your YouTube channel series. So we have already gone through the front part. If not, I'll attach the link up here. You can go and see back those videos again to have a refresher. Once you have started your YouTube channel, now is to take videos. But don't just take any other video. You can obviously, yes, my suggestion is to take more videos and don't think about it and just do. But over time, you should try to improve the quality of your videos. And lighting is a very key aspect of having a good quality video. So in this condition, you can see now, I've used the windows here with a natural lighting to give me that nice soft glow on the face. If not, then if you were to shoot in a darker area, you won't get that nice illumination. So you really don't have any lighting set up where I see I have a proper key light at the back there where I'll show you to you. That's how when you do your talking head videos, those will require some investments to put in. But for start off, if you want to get good lighting, just go close to your window and let it come in at the angle, and not like this where you will probably have a overexposed background and your face will be darker. Of course, again, if the best way of course is to have this way so that it gives you a very good lighting on your face. Or if you want to create a little bit more of a dramatic effect, then you can obviously do it at this angle and it gives you a soft glow on one side of the face. So next up, if you want to create a bit more professional lighting where you can consistently control the lighting, because if you were to depend on the natural lighting, if you are shooting one video and one take, then it's not a problem. But if you start chopping up your videos, the changes, subtle changes in lighting will create an effect when you do some jump cuts, right? So that's for later. But if you want to have a more controlled lighting, then go for a key light, which I'm going to show it to you now. This is a key light or a soft box kind of lighting where you have a layer of diffusion so you don't get the direct harsh sunlight. So if you can, just invest in a light like this. This light is just about less than 100 for a pair of lighting like this. So get this as your main key light, which you will do at an angle, maybe a 45 degrees angle coming out onto your face, so to give you a soft, nice diffuse light on your face and illuminates you properly. So we can go for that. If you want to start your investment, that will be the first thing that you should get. Then as time goes by, then of course you can get some other lightings like the accent lightings where you have some, you can see I have this Pavo light tube there together with a Xiaomi light. Again, one more at the corner, another Xiaomi light. So these are like what, $30–40 each, except for the Pavo tube, which I've done a video. I'll put it up in the link up there or below, so you can have a look at that video if you want to put your hands or put your money down for a proper light tube. These are as you go along. If you have a little bit more budget, then you can create a kind of effect or a more interesting background rather than just a plain one. So that is something for you to consider as you go along the way. But first, you have to get the key light, which will set aside the tone and gives you a very good quality video. So I placed some links below from all these items. If you want to go, you can go to the description to have a look. So go start your journey. Go start shooting videos in whatever conditions. But if you want to do it in a room, always have natural lighting. If you have a even better choice is to have a studio setup lighting so that you can maintain the consistency of your lighting, and that will reduce as much problems when you go for editing works later. So I do hope you like this video, and the next part I will talk about audio, so stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you soon.